In order to change keyboard theme on POCO M8 Pro, first we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down and we need to find Additional Settings. After that, we're gonna go to Languages and Input, then go to Manage Keyboards, and then over here choose Gboard. And there we go. In the settings, we should be able to find Theme, and you can choose whichever theme you want to use. You can, for example, pick up one of these gradients if you like. There we go. We can also toggle key borders, and we can apply the theme. You can also create your own theme based on the image of your choice. So if you press plus over here, you can open the gallery, and then you can choose whatever image should be used. We can zoom in and zoom out and adjust the photo. There we go. And we can go next. We can adjust the brightness of the photo. And then we can tap on Done at the bottom. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.